Hello everyone, just wanted to quickly jump in to let you know that Motion VFX still has their Black Friday sale going on and you can get 30% off all Motion VFX products, which is such a great deal. I use Motion VFX plugins all the time, from titles to smooth transitions and so many creative effects. Their tools make editing so much easier and more fun. So make sure to check the link below this video and use a special promo code BW30 to grab your discount. And now let me show you some of my favorite Motion VFX plugins and how I use them. The first plugin I want to talk about is called mTutorial, and it's perfect for people who also have their YouTube channels with educational content or they are creating courses. This plugin contains 107 effective presets like titles, placeholders or lower thirds, and I have already installed it. So all I need to do is to search for it in the toolbox, as this is how I get then access to all of these presets. So now let me show you a few of them. First we have focus presets, and I use them very often when I want to bring the attention to a certain part of the video. So let me show you how we can customize it, as all of these presets are fully customizable, which is very easy to do. So let's grab this one and let's drag and drop it onto our clip. And now we just need to go to the effects in the inspector over here. And here we can change the size and the position of the focus. Then we can also turn on and off the blur. And we can change the color of it. So the possibilities are endless. Then we have different placeholders that we can use, for example, for different chapters. So here's again a few of them. There are also some corner screens. So let's grab this placeholder and also let's customize it. Here I can obviously change the whole title, and I can change the font as well if I want to. Then we can get rid of the subtitle and the description. I really want you to see how easy to use these plugins are. And then we have the whole bunch of other animated elements. This one is cool, we can use it when we talk about different shortcuts. Then we have some animated backgrounds or guides. This one is a cool one, it shows different aspect ratios for social media. And then we have other graphics and animated titles. Another Motion VFX plugin that I really love is called mTitle Film. And this one contains 60 different fully customizable titles inspired by the most popular movies. And I have actually already created a video about it a while ago, so I will tag it in here if you want to have a closer look. And then we have my latest discovery, the plugin called mDrama. I love this plugin as it's very versatile and it contains loads of different elements that can enhance the storytelling if you work on films or music videos. So we have here different backgrounds, then overlay effects to change the feel of the footage. This one is cool, looks like a cracked glass, and then we've got a similar one, it looks like a fractured glass. Then we have the old footage or VCR tape. And then we also have here some cool add-ons like this sensoring one, so we don't have to create it in DaVinci Resolve Fusion. I can just simply drag it and drop it here, and then I will change the position. Then I can change the opacity. So again, it's all fully customizable. And then we also have more creative titles that are very, very cool. I really hope you like this video and let me know in the comments if you use Motion VFX plugins. See you on the next one.